something like that.
So we're gonna do something. Right or wrong.
You're gonna have to sign.
Oh, you did it.
You'll sign like you
Doing good, doing good.
Woohoo!
Charlie Brown, Charlie Brown.
And then this is your copy.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Did you need any boxes or anything?
I think they're boxing them up some of it.
Well, we want to get you a picture of you right here. Come on around
Oh.
us
Yeah.
right here.
So you said that Sumter was closed because of COVID?
Everything is something closed.
Look on that like it's
Wow.
like a girlfriend. There
There
you
we
go.
go. Appreciate it. So they
That's
closed
what I'm
up,
talking
so they didn't have hardly anything open there?
Nah,
at
there
all?
was like one or two stands open and something, them little road stands. They said everything was COVID, they had it closed.
Wow, wow. So how did you decide to come to Casey's?
I Googled it. And I was over there working at FedEx.
Google's your friend.
Actually, I was going to the other one. They didn't want to talk about y'all sitting right over here, right down the road.
Oh, the other one told us about us?
FedEx did, yeah.
Oh, great.
I guess they've been over here. They live in Columbia, so
Oh, that's good.
I don't know nowhere hardly in Columbia. So follow GPS.
There we go. Well, we appreciate you coming from Sumter to come check us out.
Man, you welcome.
So what'd you think? Would you have a good
Oh
selection?
yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I was loading up.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, that's not a problem.